Hi there, my name is Sarah Jane Cruickshank and I have been Forex trading from home now for about 3.5 years, and I want to teach you how I have fitted it in with my lifestyle around these two little scamps, my children, and how I do most of my trading now literally from the phone apps that we get, and also the Ninjacator. And I go for what's called 10 pips a day, and that gives me a really nice compounding growth in my account, which suits my lifestyle, which means I'm in and out of trades really, really quick. I'm a super fast scalper. I go in, I get my 10 pips for the day, and I get out and I get on with the rest of my day. I do not sit there in front of charts all day long. I set my charts up on a Sunday night so I know what's going on with the rest of the week, and then I do it all from my phone, on the go, on the school run, doing the shopping, doing the laundry, doing the ironing, and I'm going to teach you how I do that. So something to look forward to within the workshop this week. So look out for that and all the other amazing people that are going to be teaching you their super strategies too.